This is Abhay from SureTriggers. In this video, we'll check how you can build a small certificate generator using SureForms and SureTriggers. Before diving into it, let's see how it works in real time. So you can enter your first name, last name, and email address to generate your certificate, and you can request the certificate from the certificate generator. It will take some time depending on your internet connection. Boom, your certificate is generated, and you can click on the link to download the certificate on your device. The certificate will be downloaded to your device, and you can see that this is the certificate that has been generated. So it says certificate for appreciation, and this is a complete template. And this particular name, that is the full name, that what I have entered in the fields, are displayed here. So this complete automation has been built with SureTriggers, and the form has been built with SureForms. You can use any form builder of your choice from WordPress, either out of WordPress based on your preferences. So I'll explain each step-by-step guide on how to build this workflow within SureTriggers. So this form has been built with SureForms. So on WordPress, you can install the SureForms plugin and build this form. Once the form is built, you have to set up a trigger. Trigger means by which the automation gets starts. That means the start automation when. So this trigger is from SureForms. This is site submitted, and this is my WordPress connection that has been connected with WordPress where the form is installed. Now I have selected the form, that is the certificate generation form, and now I'll do a test request. That means I'll send a simple form data, and that form data will fill out here. This data will be used for mapping in the next action steps. Now I have not used any of the external application for building any certificate. I've used the free application, that is Google Docs and Google Drive. For this, I have created a template in Google Docs. This is a Google Doc file, and this is an image that I've generated with an image generator. And here I have written as full name. So this is called as a liquid tag. So this is inside a curly bracket. Here I have written as full name. Now I'll go to my SureTriggers automation again. Here I'll have to select the Google Docs action as create document from template. Here I have to select my connection, that is the Google Docs connection that I've made with SureTriggers. Here I'll have to do the configurations. Now I'll select the file template that has been there. So my file template folder, the template name is actually certificate template, and the document that we'll be creating using this template, what should be the name of the document? So I've written it as certificate, and I have added my first name and last name from my trigger that I have received from SureForms. And I have selected the folder of the new document location that I'll be making it. Here I have entered the full name. So this full name field has been populated directly because I have used the full name inside the curly braces here. So it detected it, and it asked me to what field should I enter there. So I have entered the first name as well as last name in this field, and I have tested the action. Now, once a document will be created within your Google Docs account, you have to download this document and show it to the user who has requested the certificate. Now in Google Docs, what I'll do, there is an action named as download document. So the document that we have built, once we have built the document and tested the action, there is one document ID that is generated. So this is the document ID in my case that the SureTriggers platform has saved it. Now I'll go in the next step of download document, and I'll just map the document ID from the previous step that I've received as a response. And this is the content type as PDF. That means I want to download the file as PDF, and I'll just test the response, and the file will be downloaded and saved it on SureTriggers servers. Now I'll have to upload the file to Google Drive so that users can download the entire file as per their preferences. So I've used again a Google Drive action within SureTriggers named as upload file. And what I've did, the file URL that has been I have got in the previous action as an response, that is the file URL that is there. So I'll just select that file URL here, and I'll select the folder in which I want to store the files. And I also have an option to select the file name based on my preference. I can save this file name, and this is the last step to send data. So this is particularly what SureForms supports. So this is few form builder supports it, few form builder doesn't support it. So the specialty of SureForms is that you can send data back when a user submits the form, and because of which there is an interactive certificate generator that is possible. Instead, if you're using any other form builder, you can just email the document to the particular user. Instead of SureForms action, you can send them an email from here. Now I'll click on configure. uh, I'll first click on update, send data to SureForms, and this is my connection. I'll click on configure. I have to enter here a response URL. So the response URL is which you have got in the triggers action. So when you test the trigger, you receive an form response, and here you will receive a response URL. That means this is the URL where you have to send the data back so that SureForms can display it to the end users. Now I'll go here. I'll click on configure. Now I want to share that this is my first name Abhay. Click here to download, or I can enter any text, and here in this text I have just entered the Google Drive link for the download, and I have just saved it, and the test has been happened, and it is said at true. Now let's see the history of this particular workflow, how it worked in real time. So first, a form is submitted with SureForms. Now I created a document named as certificate-SureTriggers team. Now I downloaded the document in PDF format. I've uploaded it to Google Drive. I got the URL for that particular file, and then I'm just sending the data back to SureForms. Your certificate is generated, and here is how you can download it. So this is how within few minutes you can build a certificate generator with the help of SureForms and SureTriggers without using a single code. Thank you.